Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when trying to burn CDs on a Mac. The problem we're tackling involves an LG Slim Portable DVD Writer model, GP55EX70, connected to a Mac with a blank CD, but encountering an error message stating, "No supported disk burners found." Quite the frustration, right? Now, let's explore the solution to this conundrum. There are two possibilities at play here. First, it could be that the DVD writer itself is faulty. Secondly, it's plausible that macOS no longer includes the necessary drivers for writing to this specific drive. One way to troubleshoot would be to test the drive on a Windows computer or an older Mac with an earlier OS version to see if it functions properly there. While burning is still supported on an Apple SuperDrive, third-party drives like the LG model may require different drivers for successful operation. In summary, if you're experiencing issues with your LG Slim Portable DVD Writer on a Mac, it might be due to a faulty drive or outdated macOS drivers. Give it a try on a Windows or older Mac system to isolate the root cause. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop us a comment with your thoughts. Happy burning.